It is a known fact that Koreans have one of the most flawless glass skin, and it is just impossible to tell how old a woman is just by looking at her. Because their anti-aging skincare is just amazing. Hi, I'm Ashrita and welcome back to my channel. I've been doing a lot of research and reading articles, and I have found out that Koreans are groomed by their mothers, their aunts and other maternal figures from a very young age on how to eat stuff that is good for your skin, how to wash and how to care for your skin. It is just an integral part of Korean beauty culture, and it is not only about using products. It is about skin preserving methods and techniques that they follow from a very young age. So I'm going to share with you guys the secret to Korean skin and how do they manage to keep their skin so damn youthful, glowing and clear. Now do watch it till the end because I'm going to share with you guys a very simple routine, nothing complicated and doesn't involve any expensive products. But the results on the other hand after following this routine is just unbelievable. Step number 1, steam massage. Give yourself a nice steam massage while you're in the shower. Now when you take a nice hot water bath, there will be a lot of steam around you, right? Use that steam to give a nice massage to your face. Use upward and circular motions, and massages is great when it comes to increasing the circulation of blood on your face, which in turn creates a nice dewy complexion, and it's a great technique when it comes to anti-aging. Step number 2, double cleanse your face. Now this is a very important step when it comes to Korean skincare routine. First, use an oil-based cleanser and apply it all over your face and neck. This will remove any debris and make your skin fresh and clean. It's also great to remove any kind of makeup or dust that is sitting on your face. Now, if you don't have an oil-based cleanser, you can always use a coconut oil. That's what I use because it's 100% natural, chemical-free, and it causes absolutely no harm to your skin. And it is very gentle on your skin as well. Next, follow it up with a water-based cleanser. Now there will still be few debris left on your skin and you will need a water-based cleanser to get rid of it. So, after this double cleansing method, your skin will be left squeaky clean because both these cleansers would have washed off and removed any dirt and impurities from your face. Step number 3, apply rice water on your face. Now, after cleansing your face completely, apply rice water on your face. Now, let me show you how to prepare the rice water. First, make sure you wash the rice really well to get rid of all the dirt and impurities. Now soak the rice for around 1 hour and grind it along with the water and then sieve it out. You can store this for a week and use it daily for amazing results. Take cotton or cotton pads, soak it in rice water, then apply it gently on your face and neck. Let the cotton pads sit on your face for 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. Repeat this process every day to see amazing results. Rice water is far more beneficial than these artificial products that claim to make your skin light and bright but actually cause more harm to your skin because of the chemicals in it. The components in rice helps you to get a more clearer and toned skin, and the rice water also has moisture content that gives you a nice natural moisturizing effect. The nutrients in rice water nourishes your skin and brings out firming and anti-aging effects. Step number 4, exfoliate your face. You can use the same rice granules that we earlier used to make the rice water and use it as a scrub. Exfoliating your skin makes your skin smooth and radiant. Scrubbing off the dead skin cells help your skincare to work more effectively on your skin. Now, this natural rice scrub helps you to get rid of any dead skin cells and makes your skin smooth and flawless. It is just great to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It also treats uneven skin tone and blemishes and also brightens your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with the rice granules to get a paste-like consistency and massage on your face for 4 to 5 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Step number 5, Korean rice mask. This rice mask regenerates the skin and stimulates new cell growth, and rice has antioxidants which is just great for your skin. This mask prevents premature aging signs and preserves a youthful looking skin. Now let me show you guys how to prepare this face mask. So after we soak our rice for an hour, we are going to cook it on a pan along with the water. And after we cook it up, it's gonna become a pretty mushy rice, but we want the thick liquid that's gonna come out once you sieve it. So once you've got the liquid, it's gonna look something like this. Now if you want, you can add aloe vera gel, but I'm gonna use it as it is. You can store this for 10 days in a glass jar in the fridge. You can apply it on your face and let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes and wash it off with normal cold water. Now the point of applying rice on your face is that it really makes your skin bright and fights any sign of aging. Rice is so rich in vitamin B and antioxidants that it's gonna keep your skin plump and youthful. Brown rice has more nutrients than white rice, so if you want, you can use it for your rice water and mask. Step number 6, sunscreen, sunscreen and sunscreen. Koreans don't step out of the house without applying a sunscreen. Doesn't matter if it's hot and bright or if it's raining. They even cancel their plans of going out if it is too sunny outside. That is how serious they are when it comes to their skin. They treat the sun like how we treat a plague and protect their fair and translucent skin. I can't stress this enough, but UV rays is the #1 reason for skin aging. The UV radiation speeds up the natural aging process and is the primary and main reason for early wrinkles. So whether it is sunny, cloudy or rainy, if you're stepping out, make sure that you're applying a sunscreen lotion. Step number 7, face slapping. I know it sounds a little aggressive, but this is a very popular beauty tip that is passed through generations in South Korea because it helps the skin to absorb skincare more efficiently. Slapping or patting your face helps with the circulation, which leaves your skin more firm and toned. It also helps to dry your skin after cleansing, and a lot of Korean women prefer it over a towel because it leaves your skin more plump and the perfect canvas for skincare application. Start by using your fingertips to gently and briskly pat your serums and creams into the skin in upward circular motion. So these were my 7 tips to get that youthful glass-like skin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and thank you for watching.